Hello and welcome to this project video. Today I am replacing a corner marker light in a 2008 Toyota Tacoma pickup, and I believe the 2005 to 2011 model year used a similar body style, so I would assume a similar process would work for those as well. You can kind of see down here in the corner, it's a little tough to see around the washer fluid reservoir, but you're going to reach in and unhook this wire first. And there is a little tab on the side that you push, and that helps to release the wire. Once you've released that, you'll reach into the connector there, and it's going to twist, and it may be a little tough, but it twists and comes out, and there's this holder here for your bulb. Pull the old one out, toss it aside. I'm actually replacing with an LED replacement. That should be a brighter and more vivid color. And so I'm going to push that into the receptacle there and simply put it back in the hole. Give it a little bit of a twist clockwise to put it back in place. I'm going to grab this connector here, push that back in, and that should be it. That's really all there is to it. Whoever designed this actually made it relatively simple to replace, and I appreciate that because so many of vehicles are just a real booger. And here you can see that the bulb works. It was a fairly quick and simple process to replace that. That LED bulb gives it a little more vivid color and a little more visibility, which a marker light is for your visibility, for safety, so other drivers see you. So I'm happy to have that improved visibility. So if you wouldn't mind, give me a like down below. You can subscribe to see more how-to stuff from my page. And check out my blog at ewardwinning94.wordpress.com. Thanks for watching this simple repair and upgrade.